guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the saved file path of your projects on CapCut PC. If you go to menu, you have to go back to homepage first. To do this, go to the settings tab here, go to settings again, and here is where my CapCut drafts are saved to, like my projects and stuff like that. You are going to select the folder here, and for instance you want to save it in the C drive. Select it, select folder, and once you have selected the folder, you're just going to select save. You can also change where the material will be downloaded to. As you can see, it's right here, but you can change it. Then that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!